ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an advanced AI language model based on the GPT-4 architecture. It excels in understanding and generating human-like text, making it a powerful tool for various applications. ChatGPT's key features include natural language understanding, conversational ability, and text generation. It can engage in human-like conversations, answer questions, provide explanations, and maintain context across multiple turns. ChatGPT can create coherent and contextually relevant text, useful for writing essays, articles, and stories. It engages in human-like conversations, answering questions and providing explanations while maintaining context over multiple interactions. ChatGPT is versatile, capable of discussing a wide range of topics from technology and science to arts and humanities. It understands and generates text in multiple languages, assists with creative writing, storytelling, educational tutoring, and research. ChatGPT enhances productivity with features like summarization, translation, and data analysis. It condenses long text into concise summaries, translates text between languages, and offers insights for data interpretation. Understanding ChatGPT's capabilities, limitations, and ethical considerations allows you to effectively utilize it as a powerful tool for various applications. Embrace the future of AI with ChatGPT.